This metaprogram can be used for understanding how the model of AI psychotherapy is used to conceptualize the way that thought is modeled and the way that artificial intelligence and human intelligence are related, and bringing to the surface the way that they work and they can be approached as cognitive science showed with the research and human mind. Employing this metaprogram, we can see and initiate new knowledge and new cognition, that it expands the mind and it expands thought, helping even in the most severe disorders to develop the split cognitive structures and the fragmented cognitive structures and offer a clinical and already evaluated result from many leading names in academia. This method have strong results in helping and assisting people that feel that they have a strong disorder and they cannot expand their thought, or people that their thought suffers by many usually thought-related problems like thought insertion, beliefs that thought is broadcasting, or beliefs that thought is not included in the individual's general thinking but is a part of the external world, as it happens in cases of paranoid disorders. How cognitive sciences and the existential approaches and also Gestalt psychotherapy contribute to make a new conceptualization of time and space is easily observed from these books that are going to be published. As many methods that have been used in psychology and from many self-help authors like Wayne Dyer, or authors that gave considerable importance to the way that a person feels and experiences the perception of time and the perception of space. All these are very useful for psychotherapy in a very strong manner because they help us to reach closer on how the psychopathology is related with the time and space, as it has been shown by studies like those conducted by the French psychiatrist Evgen Minovsky and by many other psychiatrists well known for their analysis on time and space psychopathology.